Hello foodies. Welcome back to our delicious journey into the world of culinary treasures. Today, we dive into the ocean and explore the flavors of an Italian seafood salad, a dish that's not only delightful but also full of hidden surprises. An Italian seafood salad, or Insalata di Mare, is a staple in Italy, especially during the festive season. But did you know it's often made differently in various regions? That's right, each region has its own way of preparing this delicious dish, making it a true culinary adventure. Although seafood salad is an Italian classic, it's not necessarily an ancient recipe. The increased availability of diverse seafood in the 20th century is what popularized dishes like this. This salad is a medley of all the bounties of the sea. Squid, shrimp, mussels, clams. All cooked separately to maintain their unique flavors and then cooled before being mixed. The cooling process, in fact, is what brings out the subtle sweetness of each seafood. In a traditional Italian seafood salad, you won't find any creamy dressings. Instead, it's kept light and refreshing with a simple mix of lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and parsley, emphasizing the fresh, briny flavors of the seafood. And there you have it, a beautiful, fresh Italian seafood salad, an absolute summer must-have. Packed with protein, full of flavor, and surprisingly simple to make at home. Absolutely divine. The tangy lemon, aromatic parsley, and the fresh seafood all work together to create a flavor explosion. That's all for today's episode, folks. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and food facts. Till our next culinary adventure, stay food-tastic.